Happening now, Clarksville police are searching for a driver who tried to run over two cars off the road. The victim said that he pulled a gun as they called 911 for help. News 2's Joseph Pleasant tells us how this dramatic case of road rage started. It's a story you'll see only on Nashville's News 2.
According to the police report, a guy was stopped in his car in this Walmart parking lot. When two other drivers drove around him, he got mad and started chasing him through the streets. As the man chased the car Sunday night, both drivers called 911.
911.
Yes, sir. There's a guy that's following me right now, and he's trying to wreck me.
His friend in a separate car also called for help and reported the suspect wasn't just mad, he was armed.
I've got a black Buick with a guy with a gun chasing after a friend of mine.
That's happening right now?
Yes, and I really need somebody to get over here ASAP.
As all three cars sped down State Route 76 in Clarksville, the driver being chased tried to avoid a face-to-face confrontation with the suspect before police could arrive.
When you get past the interstate, there's a Shell station on the other side of the interstate.
Yes, sir.
I want you to pull in there. If just listen to me. If he follows you in there, turn around, come back out, and head back towards Madison Street.
Meanwhile, his friend tries to explain to a 911 dispatcher what sparked the fit of road rage that seemingly came out of nowhere.
So when you went around him, he got angry and he started cussing at y'all, or what was he doing?
No, he didn't cuss. He tried to hit us. He was trying to hit us.
The terrifying chase lasted for around 10 minutes. Luckily, no one was injured. Thursday night, we talked to one of the drivers you heard on that 911 tape. He told us Clarksville police advised him not to talk on camera because whoever chased him through the streets of Clarksville is still on the loose. In Clarksville, Joseph Pleasant, Nashville's News 2.
The suspect's car is described as an older model black Buick sedan with a missing front headlight. The suspect was wearing a black flat bill hat. Anyone with information about the man's whereabouts should contact Clarksville police.